So beta, here is the stability of resonating structures, and first I am going to write the laws, and after that one by one I am going to take the examples and the questions, right? Now the first is, so beta first is proportional to number of pi bonds, means more pi bonds are there, more is the stability of the resonating structure. So now the second is directly proportional to 1 upon charge separation, means charge is separated or not separated, right? Now the third one is, beta what I am going to written 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 in steps. These are in preferential order, means first you have to see the first one, then the second one, then the third one. These are in preferential order. You have to see this in according to this sequence, right? Now the third one is proportional to the number of octet completion atoms. Now the fourth is proportional negative charge on more electronegative atom or positive charge on less electronegative atom. Now the next is fifth one, directly proportional to more close opposite charge or less distant like charges. Now the next sixth, proportional to positive charge on more alkylated carbon atom or negative charge on less alkylated carbon atom. So beta, these are the rules how we can define the stability between the resonating structure of a compound. Let's take the questions as examples one by one. First question is CH2 positive Cl. You know the lone pair of electron is present on chlorine atom. So chlorine possesses a lone pair of electron here, and here is a positive charge, lone pair, sigma bond, and the positive charge conjugation is there. So delocalization of pi electrons takes place, and this will be this, right? Now the second resonating structure is CH2 double bond Cl. This will be the second structure, positive. Now beta, these are the two resonating structures of the given species. Now in these two, you may clearly observe this species doesn't have any pi bond, and this species has a pi bond. And the first rule is the relative stability of the resonating structure is directly proportional to the number of pi bonds. That means this have one pi bond, this doesn't have, that means this is more stable than this. So this species is more stable than this species. Now the second question, OH, and here is the positive charge on this carbon, right? In this, oxygen has the lone pair of electrons, sigma bond, and positive charge. Conjugation is there. So the second structure will be double bond, oxygen, hydrogen, and a positive charge comes on oxygen. So beta, in these two resonating structures, you may clearly observe this has the one pi bond and this doesn't have any pi bond. That means this will be more stable than this resonating structure. Now move to the third question. Take CH2 positive and NH2. So beta, in this nitrogen had the lone pair of electron, sigma bond, positive charge, conjugation, delocalization of pi electrons takes place. This move to here, and the second resonating structure will be CH2 double bond NH2, and positive charge comes on the nitrogen atom. So beta, in these between the two resonating structure of the given species, so nitrogen here makes the double bond. That means in this species neither kind of double bond is there. Here one double bond is there. That means this species is more stable than this. So this species is more stable. This will be more stable than this, right? Now move to the second type. So beta, the first question on the basis of this second type. Let's take CH3 COOH, and the second resonating structure is the lone pair is there on the oxygen atom, attracts, this comes here, and this will be CH3 CO negative charge, and here comes double bond and a positive charge. So beta, in these two resonating structures you may clearly observe that here neither kind of charge is present on the molecule, and here is the charge present on the molecule. Charge comes because of the delocalization of the pi electrons. So the second rule is 1 upon charge separation. That means reciprocal to the charge separation. That means if the charge separation is there, then that will be the less stable in comparison of the molecule which doesn't have charge separation. So this doesn't have charge separation, this here the charge separation taking place. So this will be the more stable species in comparison of this. This is more stable, right? So beta, the second question is CH2 CHOH and double bond CH2. So beta, in this example a lone pair present on the oxygen atom, and here is the double bond, lone pair sigma double bond. So the conjugation is there, so resonance takes place. So this will come over here and this will come at this side, and the second species exist is CH2 CH double bond OH, it comes positive and it comes negative. So beta, in these two species of the given species, two resonating structures are there. So first one doesn't have charge separation, but the second one is charge separation is there. That means 1 upon charge separation, relative stability. So this is more stable than this species. So first one is more stable than this one, right? Now beta, move to the third type, number of octet completion. The third type is the first question of third type. Beta, one thing I would like to say you, I am making your concept crystal clear with the help of suitable examples and questions are there. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel Brilliance Academy. This channel is Brilliance Academy, so please subscribe the channel. More videos are there. I will make more videos on miscellaneous questions on different topics. So please, the first thing you must do, that is like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Please. Thank you.